Hey, what up YouTube, it's your boy Smooth Operator coming at you with an unboxing of the Blink XT2 5-camera system. This is Alexa compatible and it's an Amazon company product also. Since we bought a new house, we need a security system obviously to keep all of our belongings safe. And I also want a wireless option as well because I don't want to get into action full of wires. So what we have here is a battery-powered camera system. It runs off of, I believe, lithium batteries. And the box and the company says it's supposed to run for 2 years off of battery, but they also say it's up to 2 years as well. So in the box, you see you have your 5 cameras here. You have your quick start guide right there, of course. This paperwork. And I believe there is some kind of homing system as well to hold everything, which this is it right here. This little guy, I believe you just plug it up to the USB, and I guess this pretty much powers on and it sends a Wi-Fi signal to all 5 of the cameras. So I'm gonna place everything here so you guys can see. That's the USB power brick and the homing device here. And then here are the cameras for you guys to see. And it's pretty neat that on the other side of every single camera, they have the mounts for the camera and also the batteries for each one as well, right underneath. This clean packaging. As you can see right there, you have all the mounting brackets and all of the batteries as well, along with the screws for every single battery. So this is pretty much the clear, uncut unboxing of the cameras. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit in me setting them up on the Wi-Fi with an iPad that we have here. And then it's going to be another video shot of me actually taking you outside and showing you how to at least mount one, so you have a good idea of how you're supposed to have everything started. Alright guys, so this is the installation part of the camera. Here's the front, this is the back. It tells you right here to slide the latch down and you have to lift the cover off from the bottom. So my wife had to show me how to do it because I really didn't understand what the company was talking about. But basically, you see this little button right here, you push it down right here, and then you also have to lift up as you're trying to open it up. Now, it's a little hard to kind of do it, but eventually it'll pop up right there. So I'll go ahead and close it again. You push down and you lift up on it. It's easier to do when we're not trying to demonstrate it, but basically that's how it comes up. It's like that, and it has like a nice rubber sealing around it as well to keep it nice and tight so it doesn't come off. On the inside, you also have a option of charging it up right here. I'm assuming that's what it's for because it's there. But basically, you just go ahead and you just put your batteries right on in, right there. Nice and tight. Make sure they're locked in. Make sure you have it on the right side, of course. And then I believe you just pretty much just make sure everything's tight and ready to go. It just flashed red. Right now it's flashing. I guess it's trying to look for the homing device that isn't plugged up just yet. Well, since now you have the batteries in, you bring it over here. Now next you have this little arm right here. So I'm going to assume that it goes right here on the back. So I guess at some point you just kind of push it in there, or either you push it in and twist. That's it. You just push it right on in. They made this pretty simple, so literally anybody can do this. This is really easy, as long as you read, of course. But it's pretty much straightforward. And then also to finish it off, you have this little piece on the back right here for the extra mounting. So just put it right on there. Then you just line up the holes, put the screws through. That's what I'm doing right now to keep everything together. because my plan is to pretty much have all of these pretty much done this way. So all I have to do is go outside and just screw at that point. Just pushing on in there. Turn this to the side a little bit. And bam. So it's pretty much, that's it. That's how you install it. That's the front of it. And then I will show you guys how to actually set it up on the device here. All right, so here is the Blink app right here. I have it already plugged up in this room that's going to be in. So basically what you want to do is you want to hit Blink wireless camera system, and then it's going to look for a QR code. So all you got to do is just scan this with your phone. Bam, it already got it. Create your system name, and I will just say what ours is going to be. Whatever name you want to come up with. Is it blinking blue? Yes, it is. And I believe it says plugging the module is already there. If the lights are not ready at 30 seconds, we hit the release button. We don't need to because they're already blinking. We hit discover device. So I'm assuming it's going to start picking up everything. It wants to join the Wi-Fi. Just kind of wait for that to finish loading. Alright. Go ahead and type in our Wi-Fi password here. And that is sending the info to the homing device. It's also now it's updating. Alright, it says it's all done, everything's synced up. So now it says tap to add a device. And you just find your record clips. Basically it's giving you the guide throughout the app. So now we hit plus and Blink wireless cameras. So I believe now you have to go back and scan every individual camera. So we're going to do that and be right back. Okay, so on the back of these cameras, you have to open up the back of them and you will see the little QR code right there. And inside the app, we already have one up and going. But basically, when you get through with all this stuff, except, so you have an option to take a picture of whatever you have outside, or you can get the live video feed. So you tap that. They're all not named yet because I want to name them when I mount them. But basically, that's the home feed right there. As you can hear everything coming back. And then there you go. Mic test.
Mic test. Mic test.
And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and scan the rest of the 4, and then we're gonna go outside and mount one so you guys can see how it's done, and then I'll mount all the other ones, and that'll be it.
Alright guys, so after you connect your two mounts together and put the screws in there. If you're using an impact drill, turn it down low so you don't strip the screws. And just line it up. I'm trying to be very careful on the screw to drop. There's a little something going in there, so I'm about to turn it up just a little bit to make sure that it starts to go in. A little bit more. go. That's one end. I guess this wood that we have here is pretty tough. And it's kind of hard to drill a hole in there. But it's pretty much in there now. Look at the base in there. And all this is depending on how hard your material is that you're trying to mount this to. Nope, you're being patient with it. All you do is do this, pop it on, and bam. That's it. That's how you have it installed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Catch me in the next one.